Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. In today's video, we are going to explore the essential AI skills that will not only enhance your personal and professional life, but potentially revolutionize how you approach challenges, learn new concepts, and achieve your goals. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Let's jump into it. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, AI has transitioned from a futuristic concept to an integral part of our daily lives. The difference between those who merely survive and those who thrive in this new era often comes down to specific AI skills that can dramatically transform productivity, learning, and creative capabilities. The most fundamental AI skill isn't about mastering specific tools but about transforming how you learn and process information. This meta skill, learning how to learn, provides the foundation for everything else. Traditional learning methods often waste time with passive consumption of content through endless tutorials, podcasts, and textbooks. The AI-enhanced approach focuses on active, project-based learning supplemented by AI tools that dramatically accelerate knowledge acquisition. Before diving into any new subject, establish clarity about your learning goals. AI can help map your ideal life path and identify knowledge gaps, but you must first articulate what you want and don't want. This process creates a powerful learning filter that helps your mind optimize for pattern recognition, noticing information that directly contributes to your goals while filtering out noise. You can use conversational AI like ChatGPT to help identify blind spots in your thinking and provide alternative perspectives as you develop this framework. This approach fundamentally differs from traditional learning by connecting new knowledge directly to your personal goals and existing skills. The psychological impact is significant. You move from extrinsic motivation, learning for a grade or job, to intrinsic motivation, learning to advance your self-generated goals. This shift transforms learning from a chore into a personally meaningful journey with clear purpose and direction. The most effective learning happens when you build real-world projects and search for information only when needed. Research shows that information retention dramatically improves when knowledge is acquired in the context of solving actual problems rather than abstract study. With AI tools, you can now transform this project-based approach into an advanced learning method. Start by outlining a concrete project related to your learning goals. Whether designing a website, writing a book, or developing a fitness plan, the project provides structure for your learning. When you encounter obstacles, use AI as a just-in-time learning assistant. Instead of watching hours of tutorials beforehand, start building and let the project expose gaps in your knowledge. When you hit a roadblock, that's when your brain is most receptive to new information. This cycle, trying, failing, using AI to find solutions, implementing them, and repeating, creates a powerful learning loop. The struggle itself becomes valuable, training your mind to think critically rather than memorize facts. Users report learning complex skills like programming or design in weeks rather than months using this AI-enhanced project-based approach. The first skill is prompt engineering, the ability to communicate effectively with AI systems to get optimal results. Prompt engineering involves understanding how AI processes information and crafting inputs that elicit the most useful outputs. This isn't just about asking questions, it's about framing requests in ways that leverage the AI's strengths while mitigating its weaknesses. Effective prompts combine clear objectives with appropriate context and constraints, guiding the AI toward producing genuinely valuable responses rather than generic information. For instance, instead of asking, "Tell me about AI," an effective prompt engineer might write, "Explain how small businesses can implement AI for customer service, focusing on affordable solutions that don't require technical expertise. Include specific tools and implementation steps." This approach yields actionable information tailored to specific needs rather than broad, unfocused responses. Developing this skill requires practice and an understanding of how different AI systems operate. Start by experimenting with various prompt structures, observing the results, and refining your approach. Users who master prompt engineering can save hours of research time daily and accessing higher quality information than those who use basic queries. The second skill lies in its ability to streamline workflows and enhance productivity across virtually every field. This capability rests on multiple interconnected skills that together create a productivity multiplier effect. One essential skill is process automation, identifying repetitive tasks and designing AI solutions to handle them. This begins with process mapping, breaking down workflows into distinct steps and identifying which can be automated. For example, a content creator might automate research collection, outline generation, and initial draft creation, focusing their energy instead on creative direction and refinement. Equally important is the skill of tool integration, connecting various AI applications to create seamless workflows. Rather than using isolated tools, advanced users create ecosystems where information flows automatically between applications. This might involve connecting research tools to writing assistants, or having meeting transcription tools automatically generate action items and update project management systems. The third critical skill in this domain is customization, adapting AI tools to your specific needs rather than accepting generic capabilities. This might involve fine-tuning models on your personal data, creating custom templates, or developing personalized workflows. For instance, someone with ADHD might customize their AI assistant to help with executive functioning challenges, effectively creating a second brain that compensates for specific cognitive difficulties. Fourth, data organization skills allow you to structure information in ways that maximize AI effectiveness. This includes creating knowledge bases, tagging systems, and retrieval methods that make information accessible when needed. Users who excel at this skill report feeling less overwhelmed by information and more capable of making connections between disparate knowledge areas. Finally, context switching skills help manage attention in a world of constant distractions. AI can help maintain focus by managing notifications, organizing tasks by mental state, and creating environments conducive to deep work. Those who master this skill report significantly reduced stress and improved ability to engage in complex problem solving. The third skill that's changing everything is visual literacy, the ability to both create and read AI-generated images. Text-to-image AI has exploded in the past year, but most people are barely scratching the surface because they don't understand how to effectively communicate visual concepts. Visual literacy involves three components: understanding composition, mastering descriptive language, and recognizing visual styles. Developing a visual vocabulary is like learning a new language. Terms like low-angle shot, golden hour lighting, or shallow depth of field tell AI systems exactly how to render a scene. Most people don't realize that referencing specific visual styles dramatically improves results. Instead of generic terms like professional or high quality, try in the style of National Geographic photography or reminiscent of Edward Hopper's paintings. The most powerful approach combines technical specifications with mood and atmosphere, describing not just what should be in the image, but how it should feel emotionally, creates results that truly resonate. On the analysis side, developing a critical eye for AI-generated content is becoming essential in a world of synthetic media. Learning to spot the telltale signs, unusual hands, inconsistent lighting, or strange text elements helps you navigate what's real and what's generated. This skill extends beyond just making pretty pictures. It's about communicating visual concepts precisely in a world where visual content drives engagement. The fourth skill is creative enhancement and content creation. It involves amplifying human creativity rather than replacing it. Contrary to common fears about AI diminishing human creative capabilities, research shows that properly utilized AI tools can enhance creative output by removing technical barriers and expanding possibilities. A fundamental skill in this domain is idea generation and refinement. This involves using AI not just to brainstorm, but to systematically explore concept spaces, identify novel combinations, and evaluate potential directions. Effective practitioners don't just ask AI for ideas, they engage in collaborative exploration, using AI to challenge assumptions and expand thinking in new directions. Content production skills enable the rapid creation of various media formats, from written content to visual designs to video scripts. The key isn't simply generating output but maintaining a distinct voice and vision while leveraging AI capabilities. For example, when creating video scripts for digital marketing, AI can research audience preferences, suggest narrative structures, and even draft sections while preserving the creator's unique perspective and style. Mastery of this skill involves learning when to rely on AI generation, when to provide detailed direction, and when to manually refine outputs. This balance creates content that combines AI efficiency with human authenticity and emotional intelligence. Content creators who master this approach report producing high-quality work in a fraction of the traditional time while maintaining or even enhancing the distinctive creative voice. Another critical skill is style adaptation, the ability to use AI to produce content across various tones, formats, and contexts. This includes understanding how to guide AI to shift between formal and casual writing, technical and accessible language, or various creative styles. This versatility allows creators to reach diverse audiences without requiring extensive retraining for each context. The fifth skill is decision support and strategic analysis. It involves using AI to enhance decision-making processes and strategic thinking. While AI doesn't replace human judgment, it can dramatically improve the quality of decisions by providing deeper analysis and revealing patterns that might otherwise remain hidden. Data interpretation skills form the foundation of this power, the ability to work with AI to extract meaningful insights from complex information. This involves knowing what questions to ask, understanding the limitations of the data, and recognizing when correlation might be mistaken for causation. Advanced practitioners can guide AI analysis to reveal actionable insights rather than merely interesting observations. Scenario planning skills enable the use of AI to model potential futures and evaluate different courses of action. This involves defining key variables, establishing reasonable parameters, and interpreting probabilistic outcomes. For example, A business leader might use AI to simulate market responses to different product launches, identifying potential risks and opportunities before committing resources. The most advanced skill in this domain is judgment refinement, using AI to challenge your thinking, identify cognitive biases, and improve decision quality. This involves creating systems that deliberately present alternative viewpoints, question assumptions, and force consideration of evidence that contradicts preferred conclusions. Leaders who develop this skill report making more balanced decisions and avoiding costly mistakes driven by overconfidence or confirmation bias. The skills outlined in this video represent more than just technical capabilities. They form the foundation of a new approach to human productivity, creativity, and learning. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, those who develop these skills will find themselves increasingly advantaged, able to accomplish in hours what might take others days or weeks. The most profound impact of developing these AI skills isn't just efficiency but transformation, changing not just how quickly you can complete tasks but what you can achieve altogether. Projects that once seemed impossibly complex become manageable. Learning curves that appeared too steep become navigable. Creative visions that seemed beyond reach become attainable. This transformation doesn't happen automatically by simply using AI tools. It emerges from the deliberate development of specific skills that leverage these tools in sophisticated ways. The difference between basic and advanced AI users will continue to widen, creating new divides between those who simply consume AI outputs and those who can direct these systems toward meaningful goals. As you begin developing these skills, remember that the journey itself is valuable. Each experiment with a new prompt technique, each workflow optimization, each creative collaboration with AI builds not just technical capability but a deeper understanding of both the technology and your own thought processes. The ultimate skill, perhaps the meta skill behind all others, is learning to think alongside these systems, creating a partnership that enhances human capabilities rather than replacing them. In this partnership lies the true promise of artificial intelligence, not a replacement for human thought but an extension of it, allowing us to explore new possibilities, solve more complex problems, and create in ways previously unimaginable. The skills that will change your life aren't about surrendering agency to algorithms but about developing new forms of agency through algorithmic collaboration. What other skills do you think that will change your life? Drop them in the comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. That's it for today. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.